Tell them what's up. 20x multiplier applied to every single value on this wall. Maximum multiplier is 2.
My days, it's happening, everybody. It's happening. The spin is happening right now. Good luck. Yo, 15x on crazy time. Enough of that cringe stuff, okay? No time for that.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Hello, player. Hello, everybody. What do you mean not allowed? Why not? Wow! Is it something red like a crazy time? Woohoo! Let's go. Here I am once again to spin the wheel for you. So 200x is gonna be the highest one. Decision time for you. Green, blue, yellow. Yellow. So I'm gonna go for the yellow. Let's go, black.
This is the amount of money issued 627,140 euros.
Oh, whoa! 215.50. Wow. Congratulations! Woo! 200x on green clapper, 16,217 winners. Yeah! Let's go. And bets are closed. Wow. I can be your hero, baby. 3x on Pachinko on a TOPSLOT.
Yours. Get that. Yacht Queen, let's go. Now I see it. Hello. Might try again when he's going for. That's alright, Woo. Whatever you feel like. You know, if you feel like your next host is going to be your lucky charm, or whatever you believe in, hey, you take it as you wish. Crazy down with the 5x top. We're here for you, and you're here for fun. So, do as you wish. What do we got here? Crazy. I was crazy once. They locked me in a room. A rubber room. Isn't that a multiplier as well? What do we got up top? That's a 5x! Yes! FBI, open up! Hi guys! Hi Queens! How you doing? We're back at it with a 5x on TOPSLOT. Yeah! Multiplier time for a crazy time. You know what's up. Also, by the way, picking time right after is green, blue, or yellow. If you mix them, you'll get maybe purple. I don't know. Good luck, y'all. Did you actually know that the purple is not a color that exists? Purple, technically, is not green. It's weird. Look it up. Purple doesn't exist. Scientifically. Anyway, green, blue, and yellow, you're picking. Anyway, let's end it with a 500x is the highest. Come on, Mama Suka, give us some money. Yeah, wow, yellow double, baby, double the trouble. 1,000x is the highest multiplier. Yellow's really nice today, isn't it? Yeah. I don't know, so far it has been. 1,000x is the highest. Let's go. Whoa!
This is the amount of money issued 750,059 euros. €1,382. 250x. Gotta go. Have fun with your new host, Good
one. Yeah. Hello, good morning, everybody. Oh, bro, please no! Alright, let's do this. 5x and coin flip from TOPSLOT.
Good luck. Newcomers, welcome to Crazy Town. My name's Robbie. We got a cash hunt, 7x top slot. Good luck to you all. Let's see what's up. Alright. Come on. Cash hunt 7x. Let's go! Woohoo! Yes, sir. We did it. Hey, okay, guys. Come on, give us some hundreds, please. There it is, 100x. Guess what? We got that 7x top slot. So let's multiply everything with a 7x now. 700x is the best multi to get. Good luck to you all. We got a lot of 175x's. We got a 350x as well. So, wishing you the best, you guys. Good luck. This is it. This could be real good. So, wishing you the best. Let's go. Decision time. Hunt down that 700x. And I'm going to be choosing my Robbie strategy. This time, going for this bunny. So, good luck to you guys. Good luck to me. And let's get that big win together. All right. Voila.
This is the amount of money issued, 508,025 euros.
See than me. And we got 36 of you with a 700x. So, congratulations, guys. Tell me what you got in the chat. We got Dante, Danny, and Cathronia with top wins. Look at that. Nice job. New round is here. Let's go.
In the last 10 games, you saw coin flip 4 times. How about a cash hunt, ladies and gentlemen? This could be something special. Did you notice that top slot? Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, here are the multipliers. No, we can do better. We can do better. TOPSLOT, tell them what's up. 20x multiplier applied to every single value on this wall. Maximum multiplier is 2000x. Good luck, players. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, time to aim and shoot. Now let's see what kind of multiplier you can get yourself. Oh, of course, you can let the game decide for you as well. Now, last seconds remaining, players. What's it gonna be? Time to find.
This is the amount of money issued, 3,392,338 euros.
Well done, ladies and gentlemen. So who got what now? 40 players at a 2000x, 537 players at 100. Actually, the 1000x multiplier. Incredible job out there, players. We have 12,103 players winning with this game. Spectacular job. Enjoy your winnings by some nice players. And bets are closed. Thank you.
There we go, everyone. We're going again. We come back with a 3x top slot. Yes. Beautiful. Okay, starting with a 2x. But that's not going to be it. It's going to be better. It's going to be more. 10, 15, 20, 25, 200, and double. But wait a second. 3x top slot highest it will be 600, ladies and gentlemen. Woo. Ready. And luck. Hey. Oh my.
This is the amount of money issued, 3,137,951 euros.
Ah, that's amazing. Sorry if you were in headphones and that was so loud, but 600. Oh, we got that. Oh my goodness. Congratulations, everyone. That is the highest of today officially. Woo! Hey. Let me see your messages.
Oh my days. Oh my days. It's happening, everybody. It's happening. The spin is happening right now. Good luck. Yo, 15x on crazy time. Skirt. Dude, I heard that Dita got a crazy. Yo, hold up. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Woo! Okay, sorry for screaming. Guys. Oh, baby, we got it. Let's go. What's up, boys? You got that crazy time. Woo-wee. Oh, my days. 15 on the top. Can I get a... Okay, no, kidding. Enough of that cringe stuff, okay? No time for that. I gotta calm down, man. I'm excited. Ladies and gentlemen, all the multipliers have been multiplied by an additional from blue and the yellow flapper here right now. Choose one of them. And then we're gonna make a spin. Wow, we actually got it. All right, the max multiplier for some doubles. Good luck. $225 for blue, $375 for green. Double trouble for the yellow flapper. Potentially, the max multiplier is 3000x. Biggest multiplier we could potentially get here. Good luck. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued, 1,443,751 euros.
The yellow one, congratulations.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.